Can you solve all these chemical kinetics questions? Rate law for chemical reactions are determined. Option 1, by experiment. Option 2, by examining the coefficient in balanced chemical equation. Option 3, from equilibrium constant. Option 4, from the rates of forward and reverse reactions of the system in equilibrium. Right choice, by experiment. The rate law of any chemical reaction. Option 1 must be determined experimentally. Option 2 can be deduced based on the stoichiometry of the reaction. Option 3 changes based on the condition of the experiment. Option 4, I don't know. You got it, must be determined experimentally. Instantaneous rate of a chemical reaction is Option 1, rate of reaction in the beginning. Option 2, rate of reaction at the end. Option 3, rate of reaction at a given instant. Option 4, rate of reaction between two specific time intervals. Good job, rate of reaction at a given instant. Which of the following is not a factor that affects the rate of a chemical reaction? Option 1, reactant concentrations. Option 2, reaction temperature. Option 3, catalysts. Option 4, enthalpy change of reaction. Enthalpy change of reaction is correct. A chemical reaction that requires energy is A. Option 1, exothermic reaction. Option 2, endothermic reaction. Option 3, overreaction. Option 4, none of above. Endothermic reaction. Well done. What is the function of catalyst in the reaction? Option 1, decoration in the chemical reaction. Option 2, provides an alternative pathway which has a lower activation energy. Option 3, supply energy to the chemical reaction. Option 4, the compulsory substance to complete chemical reaction. You're on fire. Provides an alternative pathway, which has a lower activation energy. Explain the collision theory of chemical kinetics. Option 1, the reactant particles must collide with each other with sufficient energy and proper orientation. Option 2, the reactant particles must avoid each other with sufficient energy and proper orientation. Option 3, the reactant particles must attract each other with sufficient energy and proper orientation. Option 4, the reactant particles must repel each other with sufficient energy and proper orientation. Exactly, the reactant particles must collide with each other with sufficient energy and proper orientation. Explains that particles must collide with the proper orientation and energy in order to react. Option 1, activated complex. Option 2, collision theory. Option 3, activation energy. Option 4, kinetics. Keep it up, collision theory. The speed at which a chemical reaction occurs is called the dash. Option 1, reaction time. Option 2, reaction mechanism. Option 3, reaction step. Option 4, reaction rate. Great job, reaction rate. The energy required to physically break bonds among reactants and the products of a chemical reaction is the Option 1, potential. Option 2, kinetic. Option 3, chemical. Option 4, electrical. Spot on, kinetic. Substance that speeds up chemical reactions but are not permanently changing themselves are called Option 1, mechanisms. Option 2, catalysts. Option 3, inhibitors. Option 4, activators. Well done, catalysts. In rate law expression, rate equal to KPQ, P and QR. Option 1, coefficients of reactants A and B in the chemical reaction. Option 2, always constant for all the reactions. Option 3, determined experimentally. Option 4, can be determined by collision theory. That's it, determined experimentally. Generally, most chemical reactions speed dash as the concentration of a reactant is increased. Option 1, increases. Option 2, decreases. Option 3, does not change. Option 4, fluctuates. Yes, increases is right. The conversion of molecules X to Y follows second-order kinetics. If concentration of X is increased 3 times, how will it affect the rate of formation of Y? Option 1, 3 times. Option 2, 6 times. Option 3, 9 times. Option 4, 8 times. Nice 9 times. Activation energy is: Option 1, the amount of energy in a chemical reaction. Option 2, the minimum amount of energy required for a chemical reaction to take place. Option 3, the maximum amount of energy required for a chemical reaction to take place. Option 4, none of above. Yep, the minimum amount of energy required for a chemical reaction to take place is correct. The rate of chemical reaction generally increase rapidly even for small temperature increase because of a rapid increase in Option 1, collision frequency. Option 2, fraction of molecules with energies in excess of activation energy. Option 3, activation energy. Option 4, average kinetic energy of molecules. Perfect choice. Fraction of molecules with energies in excess of activation energy. Which changes increase the rate of a chemical reaction? I. Increase the concentration of an aqueous solution I. Increase in particle size of the same mass of the solid reactant I. Increase in the temperature of the reaction mixture. Option 1, I and I only. Option 2, I and E only. Option 3, I and I only. Option 4, I and E. I and E only, great work. What is a catalyst in a chemical reaction? Option 1, a substance that has no effect on a chemical reaction. Option 2, a substance that slows down a chemical reaction. Option 3, a substance that speeds up a chemical reaction. Option 4, a substance that changes its chemical properties in a reaction. Write a substance that speeds up a chemical reaction. Which of the following slows down the rate of a chemical reaction? Option 1, place the reactants in hot water. Option 2, place the products in ice bath. Option 3, place the reactants in ice bath. Option 4, keep stirring the reactants with a stirring rod. Nailed it! Place the reactants in an ice bath. Which of the following are true when a catalyst is used in a chemical reaction? Option 1, enthalpy of reaction is lower. Activation energy for the reaction is lower. Option 2, enthalpy of reaction is same. Activation energy for the reaction is lower. Option 3, enthalpy of reaction is the lower. Activation energy for the reaction is same. Option 4, enthalpy of the reaction is same. Activation energy for the reaction is same. On track, enthalpy of reaction is same. Activation energy for the reaction is lower. What does kinetics mainly study? Option 1, concentration of mixtures. Option 2, pressure of mixtures. Option 3, how much products are produced. Option 4, reaction rates. Reaction rates is correct. The collisions which bring about a chemical reaction are called: Option 1, consistent collisions. Option 2, normal collisions. Option 3, effective collisions. Option 4, none of the above. Effective collisions, well done. Define effective collisions in the context of chemical reactions. Option 1, collisions between products that result in a chemical reaction. Option 2, collisions between reactant molecules that do not result in a chemical reaction. Option 3, collisions between inert molecules that result in a chemical reaction. Option 4, collisions between reactant molecules that result in a chemical reaction. Perfect choice. Collisions between reactant molecules that result in a chemical reaction. What is the effect of temperature on the rate of a chemical reaction? Option 1. Increasing temperature generally increases the rate of a reaction. Option 2. Increasing temperature generally decreases the rate of a reaction. Option 3. Temperature has no effect on the rate of a reaction. Option 4. Temperature stops a chemical reaction. You got it! Increasing temperature generally increases the rate of a reaction. Which explains why increasing the temperature increases the rate of a chemical reaction. Option 1. More reactant particles possess energy greater than or equal to the activation energy. Option 2. The activation energy decreases at higher temperatures. Option 3. Reactant particles travel faster at higher temperatures. Option 4. Reactant particle more likely to be in the gaseous state at higher temperatures. Nice. More reactant particles possess energy greater than or equal to the activation energy. What is the role of catalysts in chemical reactions? Option 1. Increase the activation energy. Option 2. Provide alternative reaction routes with higher activation energy. Option 3. Provide alternative reaction routes with lower activation energy. Option 4. Decrease the rate of reaction. That's it. Provide alternative reaction routes with lower activation energy. The half-life period of a first-order chemical reaction is 6.93 minutes. The time required for the completion of 99% of the chemical reaction will be 1. 230.3 minutes. Option 2, 23.3 minutes. Option 3, 46.06 minutes. Option 4, 4 minutes. Right choice, 46.06 minutes. What effect does a catalyst have on the position of equilibrium in a chemical reaction? Option 1, it shifts the equilibrium to the right. Option 2, it shifts the equilibrium to the left. Option 3, it does not change the position of equilibrium. Option 4, it eliminates the equilibrium. It does not change the position of equilibrium. Great work. According to collision theory, particles need to collide with the correct dash for a chemical reaction to occur. Option 1, temperature. Option 2, Option 3, orientation. Option 4, concentration. Nailed it, orientation. What is a reaction mechanism made up of? Option 1, elementary reactions. Option 2, complex chemical reactions. Option 3, a single step. Option 4, multiple reactions all happening at the same rate. Spot on, elementary reactions. What is rate of reaction? Option 1, the amount of products formed in a reaction. Option 2, the speed at which a chemical reaction takes place. Option 3, the energy change in a reaction. Option 4, the concentration of reactants in a reaction. Write the speed at which a chemical reaction takes place. What is the name given to a catalyst in the human body? Option 1, biology. Option 2, catalyst. Option 3, chemical. Option 4, enzyme. Great job, enzyme. Which is the true of catalysts? Option 1, they speed up a chemical reaction. Option 2, they can be used over and over again. Option 3, they change during the chemical reaction. Option 4, enzymes are biological catalysts. Yep, they change during the chemical reaction is correct. It is the study of reaction rates and the mechanism or step sequence under which reactions occur. Option 1, chemical kinetics. Option 2, chemical emetics. Option 3, thermodynamics. Option 4, chemical mechanics. Yes, chemical kinetics is right. The rate of a chemical reaction. Option 1, increases as the reaction proceeds. Option 2 decreases as the reaction proceeds. Option 3 may increase or decrease during the reaction. Option 4 remains constant as the reaction proceeds. On track, decreases as the reaction proceeds. Branch of chemistry which deals with the study of the speeds of chemical reaction is known as Option 1, electrochemistry. Option 2, surface chemistry. Option 3, chemical kinetics. Option 4, organic chemistry. You're on fire, chemical kinetics. The following are the terms used to describe the relationship between the rate of a chemical reaction and the concentration of its reactants, except Option 1, rate laws. Option 2, differential rate laws. Option 3, rate equations. Option 4, chemical kinetics. Well done, chemical kinetics. A theoretical, unstable, short-lived, transitional substance in a reaction. Option 1, activated complex. Option 2, collision theory. Option 3, activation energy. Option 4, kinetics. Keep it up, activated complex. Which is the rate-determining step in a chemical reaction? Option 1, fast step. Option 2, slow step. Option 3, step with least activation energy. Option 4, none of above. Good job, slow step. The rate of a chemical reaction tells us about Option 1, the reactants taking part in the reaction. Option 2, the products formed in the reaction. Option 3, how slow or fast the reaction is taking place. Option 4, none of the above. Exactly how slow or fast the reaction is taking place. The dash is the speed at which a chemical reaction occurs. Option 1, reaction rate. Option 2, rate constant. Option 3, molecularity. Option 4, half-life. Nailed it, reaction rate. The starting materials in a chemical reaction. Option 1, products. Option 2, reactants. Option 3, starters. Option 4, enders. Reactants is correct. The minimum amount of kinetic energy that must be possessed by reactants before they can react. Option 1, activated complex. Option 2, collision theory. Option 3, activation energy. Option 4, kinetics. Right activation energy. A substance that increases speed of chemical reaction without being changed is called Option 1, catalyst. Option 2, acid. Option 3, base. Option 4, pressure. That's it, catalyst. Which of the following are true with respect to the action of a catalyst on increasing the rate of a chemical reaction? 1. The activation energy decreases. 2. A greater proportion of particles have enough energy needed to react. 3. There are a greater number of particle collisions. Option 1, 1, 2, and 3. Option 2, 1 and 2 only. Option 3, 2 only. Option 4, 1 only. Keep it up, 1 and 2 only. Which will not generally increase the rate of a chemical reaction? Option 1, increasing the surface area of solid reactant particles. Option 2, increasing the size of solid reactant particles. Option 3, increasing the concentration of the reactant particles. Option 4, decreasing the activation energy. You got it, increasing the size of solid reactant particles. What is the theory which explains how chemical reaction occurs? Option 1, diffusion. Option 2, collision. Option 3, Big Bang. Option 4, evaluation. Yes, collision is right. The minimum amount of energy needed for colliding particles to react is called the Option 1, chemical energy. Option 2, kinetic energy. Option 3, activation energy. Option 4, potential energy. Well done, activation energy. A substance that is formed as the result of a chemical reaction Option 1, product. Option 2, reactant. Option 3, starters. Option 4, enders. Right choice, product. The rate of a chemical reaction is not affected by which of the following? Option 1, temperature. Option 2, concentration. Option 3, particle size. Option 4, all of these affect reaction rates. You're on fire, all of these affect reaction rates. A reaction in which reactants are converted into products follows second-order kinetics. If concentration of R is increased by 4 times, what will be the increase in the rate of formation of P? Option 1, 9 times. Option 2, 16 times. Option 3, 4 times. Option 4, 2 times. On track 16 times. For two particles to react when they collide, what must be true according to collision theory? Option 1, they must both have the same kinetic energy. Option 2, all their chemical bonds must be broken. Option 3, they must collide with the correct geometry or orientation. Option 4, they must be in the gaseous or liquid state. Perfect choice. They must collide with the correct geometry or orientation. The activation energies of the forward and backward reactions in the case of chemical reaction are 30.5 kJ/mol and 45.4 kJ/mol respectively. The reaction is Option 1, exothermic. Option 2, endothermic. Option 3, neither exothermic nor endothermic. Option 4, independent of temperature. Exothermic, well done. When the reactant concentration is increased, the number of collisions is dash, leading to a dash in rate of a chemical reaction. Option 1, decreased, increase. Option 2, increased, increase. Option 3, decreased, decrease. Option 4, increased, decrease. Exactly, increased, increase. Consider the following rate law. Rate equal to com, how are the exponents n and m determined? Option 1, by using balanced chemical equation. Option 2, by using the subscripts for the formulas. Option 3, by educated guess. Option 4, by experiment. Great job, by experiment. What is the study of the mechanism by which a reaction occurs called? Option 1, chemical properties. Option 2, chemical equilibrium. Option 3, chemical kinetics. Option 4, chemical bonding. Yep, chemical kinetics is correct. Hydrolysis of an ester follows dash. Option 1, zero-order kinetics. Option 2, pseudo-first-order kinetics. Option 3, first-order kinetics. Option 4, half-life first-order kinetics. Nice pseudo-first-order kinetics. Which of the following is a clue that a chemical change has occurred? Option 1, state of matter change. Option 2, size change. Option 3, change in temperature. Option 4, shape change. Change in temperature, great work. A chemical applied to fruit to stop it from rotting is an example of A. Option 1, inhibitor. Option 2, catalyst. Option 3, transition state. Option 4, emulsifier. Good job, inhibitor. What is chemical kinetics? Option 1, study of reactivity. Option 2, study of composition. Option 3, study of molar mass. Option 4, study of rate. Spot on, study of rate. What is the activation energy in a chemical reaction? Option 1, the energy of the catalyst. Option 2, the energy of the transition state. Option 3, the energy of the reactants. Option 4, the energy of the products. On track, the energy of the transition state. Which would not speed up a chemical reaction? Option 1, using a large beaker. Option 2, increasing the concentration. Option 3, decreasing particle size. Option 4, adding a catalyst. Nailed Nailed it, using a large beaker. In the chemical reaction, the successful formation of products depends on the following factors except: Option 1. The collisions between reacting molecules must be effective. Option 2. The colliding molecules must approach each other in the right orientation. Option 3. The energy of colliding molecules must be equal to or more than activation energy. Option 4. A collision between molecules must produce sufficient energy to overcome the activation energy. Well done. A collision between molecules must produce sufficient energy to overcome the activation energy. Activation energy is required to start a chemical reaction. What is activation energy? Option 1. The maximum amount of energy used. Option 2. The minimum amount of energy required to cross the reaction barrier. Option 3. The energy of the reactants. Option 4. The energy possessed by the products. The minimum amount of energy required to cross the reaction barrier. Great work. The pulverizing of a solid substances to increase reaction rate effective because pulverizing. Option 1. Increases the temperature. Option 2. Increases the surface area. Option 3. Reduces the bonding forces between molecules. Option 4. Changes the chemical makeup of the reacting substances. That's it, increases the surface area. A catalyst always dash. Option 1. Creates more intermediates in a reaction mechanism. Option 2. Increases the rate of a chemical reaction. Option 3. Results in fewer elementary steps and therefore proceeds at a faster rate. Option 4. Increases the activation energy. Spot on, increases the rate of a chemical reaction. To slow down a chemical reaction, you will do one of the following. Option 1. Place the reactants in hot water. Option 2. Place the products in ice bath. Option 3. Place the reactants in an ice bath. Option 4. Keep stirring the reactants with a stirring rod. Yep, place the reactants in an ice bath is correct. Nuclear reactions follow. Option 1. Zero-order kinetics. Option 2. First-order kinetics. Option 3. Pseudo-first-order kinetics. Option 4. Second-order kinetics. First-order kinetics. Well done. A catalyst may increase, which is dash catalyst, and decrease, i.e. dash catalyst, without undergoing any chemical change. Option 1. Negative. Positive 2. Positive negative. Option 3. Both 1 and 2. Option 4. None of the above. Good job, positive, negative. The path followed by the reactant in forming the products in a chemical reaction is called dash. Option 1. Order of the reaction. Option 2. Mechanism of a chemical reaction. Option 3. Rate of reaction. Option 4. Molar concentration. Right mechanism of a chemical reaction. A catalyst alters which of the following in a chemical reaction? Option 1. Entropy. Option 2. Enthalpy. Option 3. Internal energy. Option 4. Activation energy. Activation energy is correct. Which of these is not a chemical reaction? Option 1. Single displacement. Option 2. Synthesis. Option 3. Decomposition. Option 4. Stratification. Keep it up, stratification. For a certain chemical reaction, the order with respect to the reactant CH4 is first order. How would the rate change if the concentration of CH4 is quadrupled? Option 1. The rate would increase by a factor of 4. Option 2. The rate would increase by a factor of 2. Option 3. The rate would increase by a factor of 1. Option 4. The rate would remain unchanged. Yes, the rate would increase by a factor of 4 is right. The catalyst alters the rate of a chemical reaction by Option 1. Providing an alternative pathway with a lower E. Option 2. Changing the products formed in the direction of the reaction. Option 3. Decreases the surface on which the molecules react. Option 4. Increasing the frequencies of collisions between molecules. You got it, providing an alternative pathway with a lower E. What is chemical kinetic? Option 1. Study of the chemical rate and reaction mechanism. Option 2. Study of the reaction between reaction rate and concentration of the reactant. Option 3. Study of the reaction rate and surface area of the reactants. Option 4. None of above. Exactly study of the chemical rate and reaction mechanism. Kinetics mean Option 1 speed. Option 2 movement. Option 3 rate. Option 4 time. You're on fire movement. Adding a catalyst to a chemical reaction changes the rate of reaction by causing Option 1, a decrease in the activation energy. Option 2, an increase in the activation energy. Option 3, a decrease in the heat of reaction. Option 4, an increase in the heat of reaction. Perfect choice. A decrease in the activation energy. What is the rate-determining step in a chemical reaction? Option 1, the step with the highest activation energy. Option 2, the step with the lowest activation energy. Option 3, the step with the most products formed. Option 4, the step with the least products formed. Great job. The step with the highest activation energy. Which one shows that a chemical reaction has occurred? Option 1, dissolving. Option 2, melting. Option 3, formation of a gas. Option 4, bending. Right choice, formation of a gas. The unit of the reaction rate of a chemical reaction is dash. Option 1, mole. Option 2, moles. Option 3, mold. Option 4, mole. Nice mole. Hard-boiled eggs are the result of a chemical change because Option 1, the eggs are the same size before Vs after. Option 2, the eggs have different properties before Vs after. Option 3, the eggs weigh the same before Vs after. Option 4, the eggs went through a phase change. Nailed it. The eggs have different properties before Vs after. Chemical kinetics mainly helps in the studies of a dash. Option 1, fast reaction. Option 2, very fast reaction. Option 3, very slow reaction. Option 4, moderate reaction. Well done, moderate reaction. The rate of chemical reaction double for every 10-degree rise of temperature. If temperature is increased by 50 degrees, the rate of reaction will increase by Option 1, 10 times. Option 2, 32 times. Option 3, 24 times. Option 4, 64 times. Keep it up 32 times. A dash is a substance that changes the speed of a chemical reaction without undergoing a permanent chemical change itself. Option 1, intermediate. Option 2, substrate. Option 3, active complex. Option 4, catalyst. Great job, catalyst. Define activation energy and its role in chemical kinetics. Option 1, minimum energy required for a chemical reaction to occur. Option 2, the energy stored in chemical bonds. Option 3, the maximum energy required for a chemical reaction to occur. Option 4, the energy released during a chemical reaction. On track, minimum energy required for a chemical reaction to occur. The minimum energy needed to initiate a chemical reaction is the Option 1, activation energy. Option 2, potential energy. Option 3, enthalpy. Option 4, entropy. Yeah, activation energy is correct. The difference in potential energy of the reactants and the products of a chemical reaction is the Option 1, activation energy. Option 2, heat released or absorbed. Option 3, energy supplied by the catalyst. Option 4, energy absorbed by the activated complex. Heat released or absorbed is correct. A catalyst increases the rate of chemical reaction by Option 1, causing more collisions between molecules. Option 2, increasing the energy of the particles in the reaction. Option 3, lowering the activation energy of the reaction. Option 4, raising the activation energy so that the colliding molecules have more energy. Write lowering the activation energy of the reaction. Rate of chemical reaction means Option 1, amount of product formed. Option 2, speed of reaction. Option 3, concentration of reacting particles. Option 4, combining reactants with products. Nice speed of reaction. What is a catalyst? Option 1, a substance that increases the rate of a chemical reaction. Option 2, a substance that decreases the rate of a chemical reaction. Option 3, a substance that has no effect on a chemical reaction. Option 4, a substance that stops a chemical reaction. Yes, a substance that increases the rate of a chemical reaction is right. Under the same reaction conditions, initial concentration of 1.386 mol Ul1 of a substance becomes half in 40 seconds and 20 seconds through first-order and zero-order kinetics respectively. Ratio of the rate constants K1 for first order and zero order of the reaction is Option 1, 0.5 mol 1 ul. Option 2, 1 mol 1 ul. Option 3, 1.5 mol 1 ul. Option 4, 2 mol 1 ul. Perfect choice, 0.5 mol 1 ul. The study of the rates of reactions and the steps by which they occur. Option 1, activated complex. Option 2, collision theory. Option 3, activation energy. Option 4, kinetics. You're on fire, kinetics. In a chemical reaction, how quickly or slowly reactants turn into products is called the Option 1, catalyst. Option 2, reaction rate. Option 3, concentration. Option 4, temperature. That's it, reaction rate. A catalyst increases the rate of a chemical reaction by Option 1, increasing the activation energy. Option 2, decreasing the activation energy. Option 3, reacting with reactants. Option 4, reacting with products. Right choice, decreasing the activation energy. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format. Option 1, contact Narayan Changder on Facebook. Option 2, send an email to cbsnetforyou@gmail.com. Option 3, none of the above. Option 4, contact Narayan Changder. Exactly, contact Narayan Changder.